In this video, we'll show you how to manage product mockups from My Designs. You'll learn how to open Mockup library, select images, upload custom mockups, generate AI mockups, and preview selected images on the Publish page. In My Designs, find the design you want to manage. Click the Mockup button to open the Mockup library for this design. If the product supports AI scene generation, you'll see an AI badge. Mockup library is where you manage all images for this design, including PrintKK mockups, custom mockups, and the images selected for listing. The library has three main areas. On the left, you can switch designs if available. In the middle, you can view and filter mockup images. On the right, selected mockups shows the images that will be used for listing. If your product includes multiple designs, you can switch between them here. For a single design product, this area may be hidden. In the middle area, you can switch between all PrintKK and custom. You can also filter images by attributes such as color or style. PrintKK mockups are product images generated by the PrintKK designer. Click an image to add it to selected mockups. Click again to remove it. Custom mockups include images uploaded by you and AI-generated scene images. AI-generated images will show an AI badge. Hover over an image to view more actions. You can check the design ID, attribute, and open a larger preview. If you have your own product photos or rendered images, click Upload Images to add them to custom mockups. First, select the design and attribute that the uploaded images should be linked to. If there is only one design and one attribute, this step may be skipped automatically. Then upload your images. You can upload up to 10 files at a time. Each image must be at least 1200 by 1200 pixels, no larger than 10,000 by 10,000 pixels, and no larger than 10 megabytes. Images uploaded here are stored in Mockup library. They will not appear in My Image. You can also generate AI scene images from Mockup library. Click AI Mockup to open the AI Mockup creation window. In the Create AI Mockup window, select the design and attribute, then set the number of images. Click Generate Image to submit the AI mockup task. You don't need to wait here while the images are being generated. To track the generation progress, open View Task List from Mockup library. You can check the task ID, progress, status, and creation time from the task list. To track the generation progress, open AI Mockups from My Designs. You can check the task ID, progress, status, and creation time from the task list. When the task is completed, click Detail to view the generated images and task information. Click Add to Mockup library to add an AI-generated image to the Mockup library. If the image already exists, the system will show a reminder. Return to My Designs and find the related design directly. After adding it to Mockup library, the AI-generated image appears in Custom Mockups. You can select it and use it for listing. Select the images you want to use for listing. All selected images will appear on the right under Selected Mockups. Drag and drop images to adjust the display order. Clear All removes all selected images. At least one image is required before saving. After selecting and arranging your mockups, click Save Selection. Go back to My Design and click the Publish button. On the Publish page, product images are loaded from the selected mockups saved in Mockup library. You can also open Mockup library from the Publish page to adjust images before publishing. This is a demo store, so we will not publish the product in this video. If you delete an image from custom mockups, it will also be removed from selected mockups. Deleted images cannot be recovered. After redesigning, PrintKK mockups will update, selected mockups will reset, and custom mockups will stay. That's how to manage mockups from My Designs. Start from the Mockup button, manage images in Mockup library, upload custom mockups, generate AI mockups, save selected images, and preview them on the Publish page.